My name is Paul Proulx. I am an urban planner and land use lawyer in New York City at the law firm Pryor, Cashman. And I'm here to discuss with you New York City manufacturing districts. We're going to talk about existing policy, future policy, zoning, and tax incentives that apply specifically in industrial zones. So nice to meet you. I hope you enjoy the presentation, and we'll get on with the slides. It's October 2nd, FYI. So, sometimes information becomes dated, and we are going to be talking about some things that are in flux. So please make note of the date. The first thing to discuss with regard to manufacturing in New York City are probably industrial business zones. These are mapped areas in New York City created in 2006, intended to support manufacturing firms and concerns. There are 21 of them in the 5 boroughs, and you see here on the map generally where they are. This is not a zoning zone, it's a business zone. So it's, the zoning still applies here. This is just an area where certain incentives are available. For instance, through the New York City Industrial Development Agency, there are industrial programs offering tax incentives for construction, renovation, or operation of industrial facilities. And we're going to get into that later in the program. There's other things specific to the Brooklyn Army Terminal area, the fashion district, and the fashion industry. And there's a loan fund and industrial business service provider network, which helps with education, information, communication, and accessing some of these incentives. So we're not going to get into these programs too much, but this is sort of the reason why being in an IBZ might be beneficial to you or your client. And there's a cadre of consultants out there who might help you access some of these programs. As a lawyer, we do advise and help people access the tax incentives that we'll talk about, but the other programs are less of a legal nature and more of an economic development type of program. So I'd encourage you to look those up if you find them interesting or noteworthy.